The K13 MAX drone presents an affordable gateway for beginners eager to delve into the world of aerial photography. Its key strengths lie in its foldable, lightweight design, making it a breeze to transport for travel and outdoor explorations. Featuring dual HD cameras, this quadcopter introduces intuitive functionalities like gesture photography, enabling effortless photo capture through simple hand signals. The inclusion of trajectory flying allows users to pre-program flight paths via a mobile app for automated journeys. For enhanced control and image clarity, the drone also offers 360-degree flips and altitude hold, ensuring stable hovering. While marketed with a 4K Ultra HD camera, it's worth noting that the image quality might not reach the standards of more advanced drones. The 2.4 GHz 6-axis Euro system contributes to reasonable stability, but its resistance to wind is limited, potentially impacting flight in windy environments. Additionally, the drone's modest battery life translates to shorter flight durations, suggesting the utility of carrying extra batteries for prolonged use. In essence, the K13 MAX drone provides an accessible entry point for individuals new to drone piloting and basic aerial photography. Its user-friendly features and portable build cater well to casual users. However, those with aspirations for professional-level performance and image quality may find it necessary to explore higher-end alternatives. Best by link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and subscribe.